Hey friends, welcome to the channel. My name is Ashley. I'm so glad that you found me today. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. Hope you will stay a while. Hope you will enjoy the content, my energy, everything that I'm here to offer, everything. So if you do enjoy any of that, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you here. Also, my subscribers who've been with me for a while, thank you for your continued support. I so appreciate you guys as always coming back, showing love to your girl. So you guys, today we're going to be decorating my living room for the fall. I'm a little late. I've been had it done, but I'm a little late on getting my content out there, and I do apologize. But let's talk about how this year is just rolling. Like, it's just passing us by. But I'm not going to talk too much. I want to give you guys a full fall cozy ambience. So I will hope that you will get cozy on your couch or in your bed. Get your favorite blanket, get your favorite drink, and enjoy the video. I will be kind of talking here and there, but for the most part, I'm going to be playing some nice slow jazz or some coffee shop music. Okay, you guys, let's get into this video. I do like to switch my candles out for the season. As you can see, I'm just switching out from a summer candle to a fall candle. I'm going with like a pumpkin candle. I think I found these from Aldi last year. And what I do, you guys, sometimes I burn them, but if I don't, or if I do burn them, I will store them. And I will just use them the next year for the season. No need to get rid of them or throw them away unless you just, use it all. But yeah, I'll just be repurposing. Now I'm just fluffing my pillows on my couches, just trying to, just give the space a little bit more of a put together feel. Y'all, we use these chairs like we laying in the bed. We do use our chairs quite a bit. But I like this spice pumpkin spray that I found this season at Ross. It's in my haul video. If you want to go back and watch that, I will try to put it on one of the end screen cards. But y'all, it smells so good. It's not a lasting scent, but it does give you that fall scent if you're liking a fall scent in your home. And I found these pillows this season from Belt. Again, check out the haul. But I just love that they're not like a true orange. They're more like a rustic type orange. And then the white / cream pumpkins in it. It just gave it the added touch that I needed, you guys. I love that. I didn't do a whole lot of pumpkin in my home. But, I wanted to make it cozy and feel like the fall. So on my bigger couch, my sofa, I decided to do pillow covers. I do like to do pillow covers often because they are like space savers. So all you would have to do is just get you some pillow stuffers, which I'm probably going to have to get some more for the Christmas season because these aren't really as fluffy as I would like. But, I mean, they still got the job done. But I went in with like a true velvet black that gave it kind of like a high end look. But then I went in with these cream, like fuzzy type material type pillow covers that gave it more like a cozy vibe. I think what I'm planning to do is just use the black again, maybe for the Christmas. Not really sure, but I'm thinking. And then I may end up switching out these cozy, fuzzy ones from the fall to a different style for the Christmas season. But I do love to decorate with pillow covers because, like I say, they're a space saver and they're easy to put away for the season. They don't, you can also feel kind of clutter free with them because they're small. They're not bulky. You can store them in bins, zip bags, Ziploc bags, storage bags, whatever you need to put them away for the season and go back to them. That's why I do enjoy decorating with these. Here, I'm just going in with these beads that I found at Dollar General some years back. These are things that I already had. Some of them, those stems or something I already had. These beads are something that I've already had. And then I just picked up that amber vase this season from Hobby Lobby. I think I paid like $4 or something for it. They had a 40% off special, which you should always capitalize on. I think now they got like Christmas 50%. Well, I know during the fall they did. They had Christmas items 50% off. So Hobby Lobby is a good store to find reasonable items. Also, please don't sleep on your Dollar Generals and also your Dollar Trees. These candles that I'm taking out of the candle holder, which the candle holder I found from Dollar Tree, and I just spray painted them with gold because I couldn't find gold. But those candles, the battery powered ones, came from Dollar Tree. I'm going in replacing them with these real candles that I found from Hobby Lobby this season that I felt like went really good with my colors. I put the aluminum foil under it as a hat to hold it in place so they won't be floppy, and also it also catches the candle wax if it melts down. However, I probably won't burn these a lot, but y'all, I really did burn these a lot. I just make sure that they weren't too close to the flower or the stems, and then I lit them and they kind of burned down in the aluminum foil or on the candle. Nothing got, where nothing caught on fire or anything, but just a rule of thumb. I do prefer battery operated ones around stems, just something to just keep in mind for safety reasons.